On one of Sydney Harbour's most tightly held waterfront streets, where land meets water without compromise, stands a residence of extraordinary vision. A once-in-a-generation offering, designed by globally acclaimed architect Kerry Hill, the creative force behind the world's most iconic Aman resorts. This is not simply a home, it's an architectural sanctuary. Set across nearly 1,400 square metres of deep waterfront land, the home unfolds as a private world, where lush gardens, tranquil courtyards, and refined architecture exist in perfect balance. From the moment you arrive, a profound sense of calm takes hold. The geometry is purposeful, softened by nature, and designed to celebrate light, space, and stillness. Step inside, and the scale is immediately breathtaking. Soaring ceilings of over 3.6 metres elevate every room, while walls of floor-to-ceiling glass frame uninterrupted harbour views and verdant greenery beyond. Natural timbers and blue stone ground the interiors, creating a palette of understated luxury, timeless, tactile, and serene. Living spaces flow effortlessly to the outdoors, dissolving boundaries between inside and out. A reflective pond anchors one side of the home, while a 17-metre heated pool stretches gracefully towards the water's edge. With direct street-to-water access and a private pontoon, the harbour becomes an extension of your backyard, perfect for sunset gatherings, quiet mornings, and arriving home by boat. At the heart of the residence, the kitchen is both sculptural and functional. Anchored by a blue stone island, it's designed for both grand entertaining and everyday family living, complemented by an informal dining area and a formal dining room capable of hosting 20 guests. Accommodation is equally impressive. The master suite enjoys commanding foreshore views, dual ensuites, and a private terrace. 5 additional ensuite bedrooms, along with 2 studies, provide flexibility and privacy for modern living. This is more than a residence. It's a world-class architectural statement, a rare waterfront sanctuary in one of Sydney Harbour's most prestigious enclaves, where every moment is elevated and every detail speaks quietly of luxury.